Assalamualaikum. Okay, I want to present about supervisor control and data acquisition SCADA system. We have to do assignment for manufacturing system. Okay, I want to tell you about our group member first. First, we have Amir Razim Memaka. The number matrix is B1123 Second is me, Muhammad Harim Muhammad Husni. Manometric is B1123 10 100. Okay, third we have Muhammad Aizat bin Muhammad Yatim B1123 10 493. Last we have Shahrin Azwa bin Sabaran. The number metric is B1123 10 552. Okay, first, our introduction. Supervisory control and data acquisition SCADA system are widely used in modern industry to monitor, control, and optimize manufacturing and process operation. They provide centralized visibility of equipment, process, and production data, enabling operators to make informed decision in real time. This assignment explores SCADA system, their architecture, function, application in both process and discrete manufacturing industry. Okay, now we talk about SCADA system overview. The definition of SCADA is a combination of hardware and software that gather the real-time data from sensor and equipment, process it, and present it to operator via human machine interface (HMI). Okay, the purpose is to ensure efficient, safe, and reliable operation of industrial process. Okay, the key features of this system of SCADA. First, we have remote monitoring and control. Second, the data acquisition and storage. Third, we have alarm management. Lastly is integration with PLC and RTU. Okay, for the SCADA architecture. First, human machine interface HMI. Display a real-time data and allows operator interaction. Second is supervisor system to central server and software managing communication and data processing. Okay. Next, remote terminal unit RTU collect data from sensor and transmit it to the supervisor system. Okay, next we have programmable logic controller (PLC). Execute control logic for machinery and process. Last is communication network to ensure reliable data transfer between components.
Now, I'm going to talk about functions of SCADA. Every good writer uses strategies like taxonomy, cause and effect, chronology, and extended metaphors to contribute to clarity and organization in the text. So the first one is real-time monitoring of industrial process, supervisory control of equipment such as pumps, valves, and robotic arms, alarm generation for abnormal conditions, and historical data logging for performance analysis. And the fourth one is integration with enterprise system for production planning. Now let's look at case study. For the first case study, SCADA in process industry, water treatment plant. The application used is monitoring water level, flow rates, and chemical dosing. And the function is remote control of pumps and valves, ensuring compliance with safety and environmental standards, and lastly, detecting leaks or contamination early. The, benef- the benefits of the benefits of this is improve efficiency, reduce manual intervention, and enhance safety. For case study 2, SCADA in discrete manufacturing, that is automotive assembly line. The application used is monitoring robotic arms, conveyor belts, and production speed. We had three functions. The first function is real-time fault detection. The second function is tracking production efficiency and throughput. And lastly, reducing downtime through predictive maintenance. The benefits of this is higher productivity, reduced costs, and improve product quality.
Okay, so I will tell about the advantage of SCADA. So first thing first, it's centralize the monitoring and control. So the SCADA allow the operator to monitor and control the system from the one central location. This make the system operation easier and faster. So second one, exchange the safety and complaints. So the SCADA detect the abnormal condition and give alarm to prevent the accident. It also help ensure to the system safety standard. Third one, reduce downtime and maintenance costs. So SCADA help the identify far early before the serious failure occurs. This reduces the downtime and the maintenance costs. And lastly, improve the efficiency and the productivity. SCADA improve the system performance through the automation and real-time monitoring. This can increase the productivity and reduce the human error. Okay, challenge of SCADA. So the first challenge is the cyber security vulnerabilities. So SCADA system can be the exposed to cyber attack of if not properly protected. This may cause the data loss or system destruction. Okay, the next challenge is the high initial setup and integration cost. SCADA system require the high initial cost for hardware, software, and installation. Integration with the existing system can also be expensive. Okay, the another challenge is the complexity in managing legacy system. Older system may not be fully compatible with the modern SCADA technology. This makes the system integration and maintenance more difficult. Okay, the last one is requirement for skilled operator. SCADA system need the trained and skilled operator to manage them effectively. Lack of proper training can lead to the system error.
Hello, my name is Amir Azim bin Matka. My number matrix is B1123101112. Okay, I will share about our conclusion. So, in our conclusion is SCADA systems are essential for modern industrial operation, providing real-time visibility, control, and optimizing. Their applications in both process industry, example water treatment, and discrete manufacturing, as automotive assembly, demonstrate their versatility and importance despite challenge such as cybersecurity and cost. SCADA remains a cornerstone of Industry 4.0 means now and smart manufacturing. Right. So this is our reference. Uh, what we get from where do we get our research from is Eviva H Indusoft Web Studio. Next, textbook and article on SCADA systems. And lastly, industry case studies on water treatment and automotive manufacturing. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.